Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple yet fascinating pinhole camera using just a few material you probably have at home. So here we go. First, take two A3 size sheets. Roll the first sheet into a cylinder and secure it with the help of glue and tape. Now take the second sheet and roll it around the first one, making sure it's slightly bigger so that the first roll can slide inside it easily. And secure this roll as well. Now take a piece of butter paper. If you don't have a butter paper at home, so don't worry guys, check out my tutorial on how to turn regular paper into a butter paper easily. Paste the butter paper over the one end of the smaller roll. Now take a black sheet and paste it over the one end of the larger roll and sealing it completely. Once it's dry, take a pen and carefully make a tiny hole right in the center of the black sheet. This hole will act as the lens of our pinhole camera. Since the edges may look a little uneven, we can decorate them to give our camera a neat and attractive look. Use decorative materials and colorful sheets to make it as creative as you like. And that's it! Your DIY pinhole camera is ready. Now you can experiment with it by pointing it towards a bright light source and looking through a butter paper. See you in the next video.